Hey guys, today okay. I ate a spoon of sugar. Today we have a cv-6. USS cv-6 Enterprise is my new aircraft carrier, which I took 3 days to build. 3 days to build, so I wanted this to be pretty big. So of course I built it straight up, but the thing is, I did not actually build it straight up. So what I actually did was build the body here, and then the other half right here, and then I flipped them both up, and then I duplicate, and then I attach them on top. So these are the rules. Eat small candies before entering the ship. That's it. Controls. They only carry SBD dauntlesses or vindicators, so I just use vindicators since I don't want to make another plane. So these are the controls. The new camera update. There's a bombing camera, so just press C for the bombing camera. So I'll just quickly show you guys through all of this. So you want to unanchor it, and then you press W. Yep. So, oh, jeez. Yeah, I forgot about that. Okay. So, I'll just be wearing a wing. So, we'll just sail really quick. So, this cv-6 Enterprise is not historically proportional, and then battleships and warships have a lot of stuff on them, which I can't. I use blueprints, but then it was really hard to find the blueprints, so not everything is accurate. And the runway is pretty small too, so that's why I can't fit too much on it. But so we have the basic turrets, and then I don't even know what they're called. And then we have the tower, which you actually can't go in. And then so we have the basic details. So here's the runway. The planes are equipped with this bombing camera. And then the bomb itself, and then it basically you can carry a lot, and these are the turrets that you can sit on and control. So this is basically the bottom deck. Not much to see here. I was gonna add an elevator that stores planes down here and then elevates up. I'll add that later. And this ugly view here, it's because I was running out of blocks, and then I needed something to I wanted to save up blocks. I only have 1,000 blocks left. But then yeah, this is basically the bottom. I asked people to eat small candy so that they could fit inside. And these are all custom. But the back is accurate, but not 100% accurate. So you can open up these for so these are basically hatches. I don't know what they're used for, but I think they have it on the cv-6. It makes it look cool, so I added it. And this is just the back. There's a bunch of staircases. All these staircases. And then you can also it's really crowded here, but let's try to go up the stairs. Oh, come on. Get on, get on. Come on. Oh no. I really want to show you guys this place. Come on. Why do they gotta make it so complicated? Alright. So this is basically what's under the runway. So yep, you can. This is basically a whole nother deck, but then it's a really small deck. So yeah, this is all there is to see about the cv-6 Enterprise. I think all that's left is just testing a plane. I'm sorry for the lag, but testing on flying a plane. So if the plane continues, then it'll just actually hit the tower, so I'll just be taking off before I hit the tower. So yes, it moves very slow. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Yes. Alright. So let's just separate ourselves. Okay. Alright, so the keybinds don't work. I don't know why that's weird. I think there's a glitch where if you duplicated too much things into one save slot, all of the key binding won't save. So that's why you have to constantly keep doing this. But then so you can just contact the tower that you're gonna be taking off. Then you can go on the runway. Run on the runway, and then you can take off. And then this is what the bomb camera can do. You just get the camera on, and then once you're ready, bomb. But it missed. So you could also practice you could also practice landing on the ship. Oh, jeez. No. So this is one example of practicing to land on the ship. I was gonna add like the landing rope things, the spaghetti noodle looking things. Oh, jeez. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. Landing runway is clear about right there. Okay. Successfully landed, but there is this glitch where if it's getting too laggy, then the planes will fall off. The planes that are activated will fall off. And there's also so I think all I need to add is the plane storage thing that pushes the other planes up here, and also the catapult thing where you attach on a plane's landing gear and then it just like, yeah, does that. This is a pretty boring video, I know, but I just wanted to showcase something that you guys don't know about yet. So thank you for watching this boring video. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Sorry, 9 minutes and 55 seconds now.